So hi guys and welcome to another video. This is another sale haul video, but this is a home decor sale haul video. I don't think I've done one of these before, and quite honestly I'm surprised at the amount of stuff I have surrounding me, that I have shopped more home decor this time than fashion, which, am I growing up, or I don't know, change of lifestyle or something, I don't know. So I'm very excited about this haul. So here we go. Let's start with Westside, which was an awesome, incredible sale, the best home decor sale I think. So I got a lot of things from Westside, starting with this metal collection. I got this forks and spoon holder. This was for $199 and it was so cute, I could not let it go. Then I got these milk delivery cans and these were for $299, and just because they're so cute I had to get two of them. What I'm gonna do with them, I'm not too sure yet, but they were too cute to just pass by. So $299 each. Then I also got this pet food holder, which if you have a pet, this is a must have. I don't have a pet, I don't have a cat, I don't have a dog, but I had to have the box. So this was a little more expensive. This was $399, but it was too cute. And I got two of these as well. So yeah, two of each. Then from the Westside sale, I also got these racks, which were $299 each, and these are really nice to organize your kitchen, of course, but I use it to organize pretty much every drawer that I have, especially the study table drawers. These are great for pencils, erasers, pens, and my kids' new study table did not have an organizer, so I had to get these for them. Hopefully this will help them keep things in place and not fight over erasers and pencils and stuff like that. So yeah, I got two of these again. Then from Westside, I got these bath mats, which have these pom-pom things on the edges, and they were so cute, and these were for $399 each, which I think was a great price for them. And they are non-slip. They have this thing on the base which is non-slip, and I love the color. I love these pom-poms. I got 4 of these for the kids' bathrooms. Then I got this plate thing for $199, just for when I light agarbattis and things, for everything to fall here and not mess up the whole place. I love the texture and the color of the plate. So this was $199 again. Then from Westside, I got these artificial flowers, which are so delicate and pretty and purple, and they were so different from what you usually get in artificial flowers. So I got 2 stems of this, and this was $99 each. And then I got 2 stems of these leaves, which looked so beautiful and natural and lovely, and again so different from what I have seen. Then from Westside again, I got these candles for $199. This is number 5 spicy. Oh my god, they smell so amazing. I wish I could make you guys smell it, but I can't stop smelling them. Plus the jars are also so cute and nice. Amazing. So I got 2 of these candles, and I'm dying to light them up and see how they smell once you light them up. Some candles, you know, they smell better when they're not lit than when they are lit, and then there are some candles which smell really nice and make the entire space smell so beautiful when they're lit. So I don't know which one of those this candle is, but it smells amazing. Then I got these baskets from Westside. I got 2 sizes. This is the bigger size, this is the smaller size. So the smaller size was $299, so this is like $300, and this bigger size is $399, so this is $400. I thought it was a great price for these really amazing baskets, which are so beautiful to look at and so great for storage. Then I got this entire box of tea light candles for just $100. I think this is going to last me the entire year, and it was just $100. I also got this big basket, and I want to use it as a laundry basket for my kids' room. They did not have a basket, and they're using this really ugly bucket for the laundry. So this is now going to make the bathroom look so much prettier. Okay, then from Westside, I got a ton of cushion covers because they were so beautiful. Starting with this cushion cover with the birds and the very tropical green print plants and stuff like that. It was so cute, and the birds are embroidered. Yeah, there's a little bit of embroidery on it with this pom-pom at the edge. This cushion cover was for $2.99. So then I got these cushion covers in these two colors. These were for $1.99, and they have these really cute multicolored tassels on them, and I thought that this would pair really nicely with these cushion covers. I also got these cushion covers are also for $2.99, and they have these really luxurious looking tassels on the four edges, and I thought even the print was so botanical and beautiful and so summer. So once summer starts to roll along, I'm gonna put these cushion covers and see how nicely this pairs with this, or even with the green, you know, how nice they look together. Then I also got these tea light candle holders, which are so pretty. I couldn't resist the red lotus. It was so beautiful, and this was for $1.99. and this was for $149. Okay, then from Westside, not Home Decor, but I wear it at home. So I got these chappals for $199. I got another pair for $199. So as you're seeing all these things, if you're wondering how I'm going to use these things, make sure you watch the next video in which I will be using some of these things to decorate my home. And if you don't want to miss that video, make sure you hit that red button which is somewhere there and subscribe so that you don't miss any video. Next we move on to at home. So I went to the at home sale as well. From at home I didn't buy too much. I bought this white color platter. It's non-breakable and it's plain white. I thought this would make a really nice base for me to place anything on it. This was for $2.50 or something. I got this decanter in this pretty green color and with this cut work done on it. I loved it. I loved the color. I loved everything about it. So I got this. This was for $1.99, and the same thing is available at the home center, the lifestyle home center thing, and I had got this one from the lifestyle home center, and they had the exact same thing also. Now this at lifestyle, the home center, was at $250 and this was for $199, $200. So the same thing is cheaper at the at home sale than at the home center sale. And then I got a set of these 3 little jars. Set of 3 was for $199, $200. So I thought they would look nice together and I could make like a little cluster or something. From the at home sale I also got this basket. This is for the kids bathroom. I was really looking for a basket of this size and this shape and this texture, and also when I found it I bought it. Although this was a little expensive, this I got for around $750, whereas at Westside a basket this big was for like $300 and this was $750. So this was quite expensive, I thought, on discount also, but I really wanted something this size. So then from the lifestyle home center sale I bought this candle, teal color candle, which was for $99. Now I bought this candle because I wanted to match it with a few other things that I got from the sale. So I got this soap dispenser, toothbrush holder and soap dish for the kids bathroom, and then I got this candle and one glass decanter, which is this one for that bathroom. I also got some napkins to match with all the decor for the bathroom. So yeah, this was my entire sale haul, home decor sale haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and please keep coming back for more.